Welcome everybody. All right, before we get started, there's a couple things that we need to talk about in terms of this course and what you need and how this course is set up, etc. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to rextester.com and you need to click on Run Code, and it's this free online editor that will let you run code within the browser here. It's actually quite a bit of fun here, and it's actually really cool that you can do this. The reason is that if you were to normally do this with a regular compiler, you run into the issue of people being on a Mac or a PC and that program not being available or it working differently. This way on the web, you should be able to see exactly what I'm typing in. The second thing is that everything I do is in Google Chrome, and if you haven't switched to Google Chrome, I highly recommend that you do switch to Google Chrome. The reason is that Google Chrome is probably one of the best web browsers out there, and I highly recommend that you start using it. Also, for web development, Google Chrome is the best because it has the most HTML5 support, and it supports the most amount of code that you can run on the web. The last thing is that the format of this course is going to be very short tutorial series, and the reason is that after teaching online for years and teaching for years, these short videos tend to resonate with the students a lot better. The reason is that the short tutorials, you can just go ahead and watch a little bit at a time. If you have 2 minutes, 5 minutes waiting for a train or something like that, you can go ahead and watch it. In addition to that, when you go and come back to this course 6 months later, you can just go ahead and type in the name of what you were thinking of and what the tutorial series and what you need to learn is, and then just go ahead and look at that video, because what I cover in a short period of time is going to be very specific, and you can go ahead and search that later on. All right. So, and the last thing is the video resolution. This is the best resolution to fit all kinds of monitors. People are viewing this on their iPhones, their mobile devices, tablets, computers, and they're even viewing it on big screens, big projectors. So this is the resolution that fits the people the best. All right. So let's go ahead and let's learn some code. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.